Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Rajiv Yadav. I've been found positive on 25th of August, and immediately after my receiving my report, I contacted Dr. Tandon at Global Hospital, who in turn connected me with Dr. Amit Dave, and I am really thankful for their timely advice as I am a diabetic case. So they advised me to quarantine my isolation period under the observation of qualified doctors, which helped me in initial managing the virus. But after a week I developed some complication, and on 2nd of September, after a week, I was shifted to the ICU of Global Hospital. I must put on record the kind of care which Dr. Amit Dave, Dr. Hiren and other doctors have taken care, like Dr. Milin, Dr. Khyati. So it's really, thanks is not a right word for all that they did. In the whole process, two things I learned. I think one is this virus is not an easy virus. So unless we have our own strong immunity system, our strong lungs, we cannot fight it only with medicine. So that's one suggestion, piece of advice to everyone. Keep breathing exercise on and make your lungs stronger to fight in the eventuality. The biggest learning which I had, and I must put this on record and educate my other friends who may go through this painful time: trust your doctor, because as we all know, this disease is very new. With my contact, with my support of my friends, relative, family members, I could reach to rest of the doctor for their advice. And everybody find, each doctor has a different way of treating, more or less within the same prescribed norm. So my understanding is patients should not get confused with more costlier medicine, more costlier solution. Whatever doctor you are getting treated, please trust that doctor as if he is the God who is going to save you, and I am sure this miracle will work. Today, after 14 days, I am going back home, though I am still identified as a positive with low viral load, but I am much better condition. I have more things to manage now. I learned a bit of it, and once again my sincere thanks to the entire global team, which is doing more than enough. They are spending day in and out in the ICU center, taking care of patient, fighting very close to the people who are suffering with such ailment. Daily salute them, and my best wishes to the entire team for their health.